YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani and thank you so much for tuning in today for another video. I know it's been a while since I filmed my last video. I think September was the last time I filmed. So I am trying to get more consistent, but it just seems like I can never find the time to film. So I appreciate those who have stuck around this far and just continue to support my channel. Thank you so much for all of my new subscribers, and I hope that you continue to stick around as well. So today we are doing the Save 2024 in 2024 by Nita at the Almost Organized Owl. And I have really enjoyed this challenge. I know it has taken me a little bit of time to complete it since we are nearing the end of 2024, but I do want to continue to stick to this challenge. And even if I have to go into 2025, I will just work on completing this because this year has been a challenge to complete longer challenges. We had so many things occur, and so I just want to stay consistent with this one. I had to end a few of my challenges in the middle of the year, and I did complete the D's challenge, Make It Rain savings challenge, which was $500 saved. And so I have been using prop money and putting everything in the high yield savings account to collect interest. So I did put the $500 that I saved for its D towards my debt. And I am now trying to tackle this particular challenge, which will be used to build our emergency fund. Again, because we had to actually drain our emergency fund, we had to purchase a new hot water heater for our home because it never had been replaced. It's 20 years old, so we had to replace that. And hey, that's what we had to do. So this will be used to replenish our emergency fund. So I have not touched the money that has been sitting in the account so far. We are adding $200 to this challenge today. So you'll see the total amount saved so far for this challenge. We have $200 here, and we're going to add it to this envelope. I'm gonna put the 100 here. Okay, so we have 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 860, 870, and 880. So I will flash the screenshot of what is currently in the account. There is going to be interest added to the total, so it'll be a little different. We're going to go ahead and color in all of these because these all equal 200, but let's make sure. Yes, so this whole section here equals 200, and that's perfect. So let's go ahead and get to coloring. So I hope you all are doing well. Let me know down below how your October is going so far. We've had so many things happening this month. It's been a busy month for school activities. We went to my daughter's fall festival yesterday, and then she had fall break for a whole week. So she's in 3rd grade, by the way. I have 3 daughters, 3rd grade, and then 2 in college. So, and then they are both home right now. And yeah, it's just been busy. So forgive me for not being able to film as many videos as I would like, but I am trying to at least not go too long in between filming videos, just because, you know, the YouTube algorithm. But I appreciate everyone who continues to support my channel, and I love seeing your videos and your updates more so than filming because, yeah, I just enjoy, you all help motivate me and continue to hold me accountable, and just it's enjoyable just to see everyone's journey and the progress that everyone's making. So we are in the last quarter of the year, so I hope you all will continue to accomplish your goals for the end of the year. Going into 2025, I will be doing an update on my goals for 2025, as well as things that I am not doing anymore in 2025. So stay tuned for that video, as well as my debt update for the end of October. And I think that may be it, but I hope you all continue to stay blessed, be safe, and enjoy fall season. Yeah, so I hope you all have a great rest of your October and a great rest of the week. I will see you all in my next video. Take care, be blessed, and let's continue to save money. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.